Today I am planting a rose in a bigger pot. These are the cuttings that I grow last year from stem cutting, you can see, and these are the plants that I transferred before. They are about 2 months ago, so you can see they are bigger and producing lot of flowers. You can see how beautiful they are, and these are the mother plants from where I take the cuttings. Here you can see the flowers are big and very beautiful. This is miniature rose variety and very much produce flowers. Here are some small plants that are they about 3 year old. You can see how beautiful they are. These are also 3 years old. This is 1 year old. No, 2 year old this one, and this one is 8 year old. This is the red variety. Here you can see. And here is another red variety, beautiful red variety. You can see how beautiful it is. And these are the plants that I transferred. They are about 2 months ago, and they all are 1 year old plants. So all are grown from cuttings from the parent plant that I showed you before. So let's start. You can see the media, and this media, this is ground soil, sandy soil, and this one is other soil that I am going to show you. So here is the second soil that I usually use to plant roses. It has 50% compost and 50% peat moss. So this is best media for rose grow to grow beautiful roses. As you can see how beautiful they are. They are producing flower. Even though they are small, they all have same age plant because they are in bigger pot from last 2 months, so they get bigger and get flower, produce flower, and these are in small pot, so that's why they are small. So I am going to plant them in this pot. So I place a paper bag in the bottom, otherwise all the soil will drain out. So this is best way to stop soil from draining out from the bottom hole. So I use organic compost and peat moss, 50%, 50% combination. So first I will put some soil in the pot here. Now I compare the pot size, so put some more and carefully remove this plant from here. This pot size is still good, but I want to make it bigger fast, so I am placing it in this pot. So far roots are not bounded because they are also, I plant them in this pot near about, I think so, when 1 week ago, but then I realized that this pot in future become small for this plant, so I decided to choose same size pots for all of my rose cuttings this size. So there are actually two sizes. This rose get bigger and bushy, that's why I choose little bigger, and this rose, the pink one, stays small and not bush out. They are very stay small in size, so that's why I use small pot, and this one is bigger. You can compare. So I am going to take this out. It is very easy, just you have to do is little bit this, and this is not bounded, this plant is not root bounded, remember. So I just put it like that and move this because I use this for, you can see the roots. So I am putting this in this pot and placing it here carefully, and then put the soil around the edges carefully. This soil is so well drained and so soft that rose love it. I am growing in this media from last, as you can say, 5 years, and this media is beautiful. Peat moss is acidic and roses like acidic soil, that's why best media for rose grow. So now put some here. Here you can see. Again take a plant and check the height. Still need some more soil. Now it is good. Now carefully, same method, just punch it and put your finger like that and this, and it will come out easily. And here, so it looks like a little bit up, so I am going to remove some soil. Now it is good in height, you can see. Okay, so both roses are planted. Now I put them in full sunny location and give it fertilizer near about after 15 days. I will share all the detail with you. So here is the location where I place them in full sun. So you can see the sun is here right now, but it stay here near about 6 hours. So this is the best location. So just give them good water and place them full sun, and full air flow is needed. Make sure do not add some congested area. Air flow is must, otherwise your rose get fungal attack and insect attack very easily. So if it is in full sun, then it won't. So always remember, roses need good water, well drained soil and full sun. So these are the main 3 points. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit share, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.